Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Minna's Hidden Apron. A quick, easy meal. Weekend, weekday, and it's also not too expensive. Come on. Meatball sub. That's what we're fixing. Now, I already have in the oven some meatballs, pre-made, that have been cooking. You just, grab you a bag from your grocer's freezer, or you can make your own. This is supposed to be quick and simple, so grab it from your grocer's freezer. Bake them as instructed, and I think it's like 350 degrees for 20 minutes. This is one of the big loaves of bread that you can purchase at your grocer. Just cut it in half. Get it good and buttery. Now we're going to put garlic powder on it. Garlic it up pretty good. We're going to stick this in the oven and toast it. Like that. Now, in the oven it goes. Quick, easy, and delicious. If y'all haven't subscribed yet, please do click that subscription button. Ring the notification bell so you know each time we put new content on. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. YouTube loves to see the thumbs up. So, quick, easy, and delicious. Until next time, you all take care.